Good evening everyone. I'm here to check our turkey's eggs. And ito yung DIY incubator po namin na nilagyan po ng 50 watts po na bulb, yellow bulb, at saka ito water. Ayan po, may markings po ang mga egg namin. 16 lahat yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 17 na pala. 17 na pala ang eggs namin. I'm sorry. Then yan, may markings po to know if na-change na po siya ng position. Then kailangan po yan, every at least 3 times a day po na ma-change po yung position ng egg. So yung markings po ang titingnan namin as guide po. So yun lang. This is the first day po na ang eggs po namin, at kailangan po ng 28 days siya dito, saka siya mapipisa po into maliliit na pabo po. I'm excited talaga.